Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are unlocking the secret to restaurant style chicken curry. Forget takeout menus, we are making this restaurant favorite right here in your kitchen. This isn't your average chicken curry, it's bursting with rich flavor, a creamy texture and that perfectly balanced spice level. We'll be using a combination of classic techniques and secret ingredients to achieve that authentic restaurant quality taste. So grab your favorite curry companion, rice, naan, roti and get ready to experience restaurant style chicken curry that you have never tried it before. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, in a hot pan add 10 Kashmiri dry red chilies, 16 cashew nuts and dry roast this until it is nice and brown, something like this. Then leave this aside to cool it down. Then add it to the blender jar and add 3 tomatoes and blend it to a paste. Make sure it is something like this. It's nice and thick, as you can see. Make sure it is something like this. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 2 onions chopped and fry this until it is nice and soft. Then add 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and fry this for few seconds. Then add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure the flame is on low or else the masala will burn. Then add 1 whole chicken, wash and cut in medium pieces. Add some salt to taste and fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1/3 cup water, cover and cook it for about 15 minutes. Then add the masala paste and add 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 stock cube and give this a nice mix. Then add 2 cups water, add handful of chopped coriander leaves, add 1 tablespoon dry kasuri methi, add 3 tablespoon ghee and then give this a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 15 minutes. Then give this a nice mix and boil it until the curry is nice and thick. And there you have it guys, a restaurant worthy chicken curry prepared right in your own kitchen. Look at that vibrant color, that creamy texture and those tender pieces of chicken. It's restaurant quality without the restaurant price tag. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more restaurant inspired recipes like this one. If you are looking to adjust that spice level, simply add or reduce the amount of chili powder to your preference. Oops, almost forgot. This curry tastes even better the next day. So feel free to make a big batch for meal prep. Also do share my recipes with your loved ones so that they can make it at home. Go forth and impress your friends and family with your restaurant style cooking skill. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.